Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY are these gender reveal cupcakes. So if you're expecting and you're having a gender reveal party and you're on a budget, this is a great option for you. So all I have here are some cake mix, some frosting, and some food coloring. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. I have red and blue and a cupcake pan also from the Dollar Tree. So all you're going to need to do is make your cupcakes, and then you will add your red food coloring, 1 drop, to your white frosting to make this light pink color. And then I added 2 drops of the blue food coloring and the white frosting to make this light blue color. So once your cupcakes are done and cooled off, you just want to scoop a little bit out right in the center and add your filling into the center of the cupcake, depending on what you're having, a boy or a girl. And then you will alternate the frosting on top from pink to blue and just decorate as you would like. So this is the blue cupcake, and I also had found some kisses from the Dollar Tree, Hershey's Kisses, in pink and blue, and I thought that would be cute to just place on top of the cupcake along with some of the baby shower items also at Dollar Tree. So again, this is just a budget friendly idea if you are planning to have a gender reveal party, and here is what they would look like inside. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.